Importance of windscreen. Well, the motorcycle windscreen, also known as a windshield or wind deflector, serves several important functions for riders. Here's why it's important. Wind protection. One of the primary functions of a motorcycle windscreen is to provide wind protection for the rider. When riding at high speeds, the wind can exert significant force on the rider, leading to fatigue, discomfort, and even instability. A windscreen helps deflect the wind away from the rider, reducing wind resistance and turbulence and creating a more comfortable riding experience. Reduced fatigue. By reducing wind buffeting and turbulence, a windscreen can help reduce rider fatigue during long rides. Riders can maintain a more relaxed and upright riding posture, leading to less strain on their muscles and joints. This can result in a more enjoyable and less tiring riding experience, especially on highways or during extended trips. Protection from debris. A windscreen also serves as a barrier against debris, insects, and other airborne hazards encountered while riding. It helps deflect these objects away from the rider's body and face, reducing the risk of injury or discomfort. Without a windscreen, riders are more exposed to flying debris, which can cause distractions or even accidents. Weather protection. In addition to wind and debris protection, a windscreen provides some protection against weather elements such as rain, snow, and hail. It helps shield the rider from precipitation and reduces the amount of water or snow hitting them directly, improving comfort and visibility in adverse weather conditions. Improved aerodynamics. A properly designed windscreen can improve the aerodynamics of the motorcycle, reducing drag and increasing fuel efficiency. By redirecting airflow more smoothly around the rider and bike, a windscreen can help optimize performance and stability, especially at higher speeds. Enhanced comfort. Overall, a windscreen contributes to a more comfortable and enjoyable riding experience by reducing wind noise, buffeting, and fatigue. Riders can maintain better concentration and focus on the road ahead, leading to increased safety and confidence while riding. Customization and style. Windscreens come in various shapes, sizes, and styles, allowing riders to customize their motorcycle's appearance and functionality. Whether for touring, sport riding, or commuting, there's a windscreen option to suit every rider's preferences and needs. In summary, the motorcycle windscreen plays a crucial role in rider comfort, safety, and performance by providing wind protection, reducing fatigue, deflecting debris, and enhancing aerodynamics. It's an essential component of motorcycle gear, particularly for long-distance or high-speed riding. Overall, riding a motorcycle without a windscreen presents challenges related to wind exposure, fatigue, debris impact, weather protection, aerodynamics, and customization. While some riders may prefer the aesthetic or minimalist appeal of a windscreen-free motorcycle, others may find that the benefits of a windscreen outweigh the drawbacks, especially for long-distance or high-speed riding.